Hi, and welcome to this brief, quick tutorial on actually how to make money online and actually use AI technology. We're always looking for creative ways in which individuals are making passive income online. And we actually came across two creative ways that we said, you know what, we just have to go ahead and make a quick video to give people an understanding that people are literally making anywhere between 10,000 even up to $100,000 a year simply by using AI technology to do this online. And we're going to go ahead and show you this in just a matter of a minute. But I want to go ahead and preface this with an exclamation point that any website that we show in this video, we are neither promoting any specific one site. We're merely leveraging and giving you examples of possibilities for you. And the first site that we're going to look at is guru.com. Now we're choosing this specific site for obvious reasons. Number one, it is popular out there for freelancers to post free profiles of their services. And number two, we're going to show you actual profiles in which individuals are making easy passive income literally by using this specific website. Now you may be asking, okay, that's great, but what are in fact the two side hustles that I can make money online nice and easy? Okay, so let's talk about option number one that you have out there. Option number one that we came across that's a creative way to make money is actually proofreading. Proofreading is simply you taking someone's text, reviewing it for grammar, and literally tweaking it, providing recommendations, and spitting that file right back to that individual to get paid. Now, if you notice over here, here's a perfectly good example of someone who literally made $11,000 simply by offering proofreading, editing, and resume creation services. Here's another example of another individual who made $10,000 simply, again, by offering those writing and proofreading services, editing, English grammar, it looks like. Anything specific to the world of writing is an easy way to make money online. Now, with that being said, the whole intent of this video is to say that's great, but how do I leverage AI technology to do absolutely no work at all? Again, make fast, easy money online, and that's very simple. Go to chatgpt. That's right. Up at the top here, we're going to show you chat.openai.com. This is an actual free AI technology software that you can sign up for absolutely free and literally just take that file of whatever that individual gives you, dump it into ChatGPT, and in a matter of minutes, ChatGPT will say proofread it for you and make any tweaks that are necessary to the grammar. And all you have to do is literally just give it right back to that individual who hired you to do just that. Again, it's a perfect way for you to take a service that people need and leverage AI technology to do the work for you. So it's an easy way to make passive income. Now, guru.com is just one site. Let's look at another option of a site out there that you can leverage offering proofreading, editing, and resume creation services, and that is upwork.com. You may be familiar with the site, but again, here is another example, literally, of someone making $100,000. Listen to that number. $100,000 in passive income online simply by offering editing, proofreading services. And again, posting a profile for your services on these websites like Guru and Upwork is absolutely free. For you, that is, providing your services. All you have to do is create a profile, pitch your service, put your rate in there, write a little bit about me, and just wait for the jobs to roll in. Now over here is another example of someone offering editing and proofreading services. Again, she made, it looks like $90,000. Listen to that number, $90,000. And if you use ChatGPT and AI technology will do that for you. Again, ChatGPT is just one option. There are a lot of other AI softwares out there where you can take a file, dump in that file, and just request, hey, ChatGPT or other application, proofread this file and provide any grammar corrections. In a matter of minutes, it'll respond. This is a perfect example of people making easy money and six figures online using AI technology and literally something that you can do where you can work from home. Now that is option number one. Side hustle number one is proofreading. So what is option number two? Well, option number two is somewhat of a similar space over here. This is actually offering transcription services. Here's a good example of a website. And again, we're not promoting any specific website out there, but here's a perfect example of rev.com. And if you go to this website, you will physically get paid anywhere between 30 cents to $1.10 per minute for taking an audio file, listening to it, and then writing all that you hear in that specific file. As you notice over here, here's a good picture. Now it's great. Over here, it says here even 54 cents to $1.10 over here. Again, utilizing this specific platform, let's say, okay, you sign up for this platform. The question is, how can you use AI technology to do the work for you? And that's very easy. Right over here is a list of the top 10 free online audio to text converters. Now, we wanted to give you examples, again, just so you're aware that they exist, of free applications out there where you can take an audio file and have that AI technology actually convert that audio file to text. Now, by utilizing and leveraging any one of these 11 applications that are free, you can then go ahead and sign up for transcription services. Now, rev.com is just one example of many. By all means, do your research out there, find the transcription services, and actually go ahead and sign up, and then leverage these free audio to text converters to literally just do the work for you. Now, here is another example, rhythmmex.com. This one operates off of actual subscription with pricing. But here's a good example where all you have to do is drag and drop the audio in here and have it transcribe it into text. Now, if you noticed in the beginning, we mentioned guru.com, and we also introduced you to Upwork. Guru.com and Upwork are also other places that you can go ahead and offer transcription services and then have individuals give you their audio files, then find a audio to text converter that's absolutely free and have that AI technology do the work for you. So here are two examples in which you can use AI technology to do the work for you and make easy passive income online. And as we've shown you in examples in these actual websites, individuals are making anywhere between $10,000 to $100,000 a year with these easy online jobs. Hopefully this quick tutorial gave you insight into two creative ways in using AI technology to make money online.